Hi, this is Julie from Blis, talking to you again today about immunity with our friends from the Highlanders. Tons of stuff can impact your immunity. Today we're going to talk about diet with Rebecca Jackson, who is the Highlanders team nutritionist.
Hi, I'm Bex Jackson, Highlanders Nutritionist, and I'm here today to share some of my top tips for supporting your immune system through nutrition. Tip 1, first and foremost, would have to be to make sure that you are eating enough to fuel your body, as well as its important functions, including the immune system, and also that you're covering any exercise that you're doing in your day. If we undereat, whether it is intentional or not, our immune cells don't have the fuel that they need to fight off infection, and this increases our risk of getting sick, and for our guys could mean missing some key training sessions. My second tip would be to eat the rainbow. And by eating lots of different coloured foods, we're ensuring that our body is getting a wide variety of nutrients that it needs. And some really good ones for our immune system are vitamin C and other antioxidants, vitamin D, some of our B vitamins, we've got iron, zinc and copper, protein, as well as omega-3 fats. And some really great foods that supply these nutrients include oily fish, especially salmon, fruits and veggies, which I know is really broad, but just think lots of different colours, so purples, reds, oranges, yellows, dark leafy greens, even our white veggies are great for us. Other ones would be nuts and seeds, legumes and dairy, so those would be my top immune supporting foods. Tip 3 is to look after our gut. And majority of our immune cells are actually in our gut, which makes it a really important arm of defense for our immune system. And ways that we can support our gut through nutrition include just eating a really diverse plant-based diet, so trying to aim for at least 30 different plant foods a week. So plant foods provide the fuel for that beneficial bacteria in our gut, or probiotics. And probiotics themselves are beneficial, and we can get them through supplements or through some of our fermented foods. So we've got the likes of kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, miso, even some yogurts will give us those good live bacteria or probiotics. Tip 4, and my last one, is to stay well hydrated. So in our saliva we have those antibodies that fight off infection, and if we're dehydrated we don't produce as much saliva, and therefore we don't have as many of those antibodies available to protect us. And I know in winter our thirst can drop off a little bit, so it's just being really mindful of your hydration over the day. Warm liquids can help, so cups of tea or soup, and just keep your drink bottle on you at all times is a really good idea. So yeah, those are my top tips from supporting your immune system.